Hello! Andito ulit si Teacher Karen para magturo ng ating bagong lesson. Hello everyone! This is only a greetings from me to you at nandito ulit ako para magbigay ng bagong kaalaman at bagong lesson. So bago tayo dumako sa ating lesson, let's talk about it. Okay, for real, let's talk about wheels. So, ang wheels po ay yung gulong sa Tagalog. So, why our wheels are circular in shape katulad po nito? Ayan, yung car na yan. So, bilog po yung ating gulong. Hindi lang po yung car na yan, marami, lahat ng sasakyan ay bilog ang gulong. Bakit kaya? Katulad po ng sabi nila, ang gulong ay pagkabilog daw po ang gulong, mas madali siyang tumakbo at mas madaling makarating sa paroroonan. Okay, so hindi po katulad kapag square or triangular yung gulong, mahihirapan pong tumakbo ng mas mabilis yung isang sasakyan. Pero hindi ko po alam kung na-try na po nilang tumakbo ng ganyan. Pero imagine kung nakasakay ka dyan at ganyan ang gulong, malamang struggle kasi nga hindi maayos o hindi smooth yung pagkakatakbo. So, isang trivia naman, kilometer zero. So, ano nga ba ang kilometer zero? Kilometer zero is a particular location, usually in the nation's capital. So, lahat halos ng country, hindi ko lang ma-mention kung anong country, meron silang tinatawag na kilometer zero, from which distances are traditionally measured. Madalas daw po, inilalagay po ang kilometer zero sa sentro o sa center ng isang bansa. Katulad natin, ang center po natin ay Manila, dito sa Pilipinas. So, historically, there were markers where drivers could set their odometers to follow the directions in early guidebooks. So, in the Philippines, one of the kilometer zero is located in front of the Rizal Monument in Rizal Park. Kung mapapansin niyo yung picture, ito po yung kilometer zero. Yan po, ang kilometer zero. So, nasa tapat po siya nung orasan at nasa tabi ng kalabaw. Yan po yung malapit sa grandstand at Rizal Park. Nasa harapan po siya ng Rizal Park. So, from there, that is kilometer zero. Okay? So, hindi lang natin siya napapansin, pero andun lang po siya. Ayan po yung isa pang picture. Ito po, makikita ninyo, ito pong nakalagay dito, that is the kilometer zero. Kilometer markers such as kilometer zero can be used for navigation. So the bus system also uses it to calculate the bus fares. In other kilometer markers in the Philippines, you can see three important details. The distance from zero in Luneta. So from Luneta to Pasay, to Parañaque, to other provinces, to other towns and cities, dyan po nag-i-start yung bilang, the zero. So, nag-start po sa Luneta. So, meaning from Manila to Tantong, to another city. So, the initial of the next town or city, yan, and the distance to the next town or city. Mahalaga po yung meron silang starting point. Yan po yung starting point. That is kilometer zero. Hindi lang po yan dinisign dyan at nilagay lang dyan ng walang purpose. So, most people do not even know that there are kilometer markers that exist. So, hindi po tayo aware doon. Then, sometimes we see it but we ignore it. Or because we do not know its purpose or why is it there in the first place. How might the concept of circles have influenced the way kilometer zero was invented? Okay? So, nabanggit na yung word na circle. So, we will learn about circles. What properties of circles can you relate to the concept of a kilometer zero? How can your knowledge about circles help you in using navigation system? So ngayon, magpo-proceed na tayo sa circles. So all about circles, pag-uusapan natin yun. So topics to be discussed is introduction, the definition, the parts, lines related to a circle, arcs and angles of a circle, degree measures of an arc of a circle, inscribed angles of a circle, circle vocabulary. So the first one is definition. Circle. Ayan po yung circle. Circle are perhaps the most appealing of all simple geometric figures. For centuries, artists have used the simple elegance of it in their design. Some have crafted into twinning patterns like a circle itself that has no beginning, no end. So, ang circle po, no beginning, no end. So, ayan po, in geometry, yan po yung makikita nyo. A circle is a set of points. So, yung paligid po ng circle, yung boundary ng circle yan, ay maraming points po yan. Kahit saan pong parte dyan ay mayroong points. So, set of points in the plane equidistant of or equal distance from a fixed point. So, the fixed point is the center, while the fixed distance is the radius. So, ito po yung fixed point. Ibig sabihin ng fixed, hindi na po yan pwedeng magalaw. So, fixed point po yung center. Tapos, yung from center, guguhit po hanggang doon sa point ng anywhere sa boundary ng circle ang tinatawag na radius. Okay? Yan yung fixed distance na tinatawag. So, this will be the symbol for circle. Circle siya na may point sa gitna. So, that is the symbol for circle. It will be named after the center. So, since O, yun nandito, so pwede natin siyang pangalanan, yung symbol niyang circle, tapos yung O. Kung A po yan, lalagay natin yung symbol ng circle. Tapos, kung babasahin po ninyo ito, that will be circle O, because the center is O. So, yung ano po yung point, yung nasa center, yun po yung name ng circle. So, ano yung mga lines na related sa circle? Una, yung unang binanggit ko, from center to any point na nasa boundary ni circle, that will be radius. Kapag dumami na siya, that will be radii. Okay? Radius of the circle or radii is a line segment from any point on the circle to its center. Yan po. Yan. Galing siya sa center, papunta sa point na nasa boundary ng circle. Ang tawag po doon ay radius. Pare-parehas po yan ng measurement. Kahit po yan saan siya dumako, parehas po siya ng measurement. At ang radius po ay kalahati ng diameter. Mamaya, babanggitin ko kung ano po yung diameter. Yan ang radius. Okay, next. Chord. Chord is a line segment connecting any point. So, kung kinoconnect siya sa dalawang point sa bawat boundary ng circle, basta nasa loob lang po siya ng circle, that is chord. Nasa loob ng circle, that is chord. So, pwede rin pong nandyan siya, pwedeng nandoon. Yan, that is chord. And then, another one, any chord passing through the center, ito po yung center, yung nasa gitna of a circle is called diameter. Chord pa rin siya, pero siya yung longest chord. Ang tawag po sa kanya ay diameter. The length of the diameter is equal to twice the radius. Ibig sabihin, radius times 2 is equal to the diameter. Ibig sabihin, since nga ang radius ay galing sa center, pag dinoble mo yung radius, that will be the diameter. Yun po yung measurement ng diameter. So, kapag ang chord dumaan sa center, that will be diameter. May chord din siya, longest chord, but iba na yung pangalan niya kasi dumaan siya sa center. That is diameter. Pero chord pa rin siya. Iba na nga lang pangalan niya kasi dumaan siya sa center. That is diameter. Next, we have secant. Secant is a line that intersects a circle at exactly points. Siya po yung arrow na tumagos sa bilog. Hindi siya nag-stay sa loob, tumagos po siya. Okay? So, tagusan. Kapag from point to another point na boundary ng circle, that is chord. Pero once na lumagpas na po siya, that is secant. Ang tawag po dyan, secant. Next po, ayan. Pero pagka dito lang siya, boundary lang, chord po siya. Pero once na lumagpas na siya, na dumaan sa loob ng circle, that is secant. Next. We have also tangent. Okay, yan po yung nakadikit lang sa circle. Siya yung nasa labas na line. Nakadikit lang siya sa circle. Pero hindi siya pumasok sa loob ng circle. Nakadikit lang siya. Ang tawag po dyan ay tangent line o tangent. Ngayon, yung point na kung saan nag-meet sila, that will be point of tangency or point of contact. Ang tawag. Next, lines related to a circle. Ito po yun as a review. Yung tangent, una yung center, sunod radius, sunod yung diameter, sunod yung chord, and then ito yung secant and tangent. Yan po yung mga lines. And then, let us review. To refer to the given figure, give the correct terms of the following. So, yung point na nasa gitna, o yung point O, na pwedeng yan din po yung magiging pangalan ng circle. So, circle O, that is the center. And then, segment AB, ito po yun, segment AB, that is the chord. Next, segment OA, from the center to any point of the circle, that is radius. Ito din radius dito. Radius dito ito. Basta from center to any point na nasa boundary ng circle, that is radius. Pag dumami siya, radii. Okay. Next, number 4, point A. Ito po yung point A. So, point A is the point of tangency. So, saan nag-meet si tangent at saka yung part ng circle na nasa labas. Next po is segment AG. Yan. That is the diameter. Kasi chord siya o line segment siya na dumaan sa center. So, that is diameter. Ibig sabihin, hinati niya sa gitna ang circle. Next, segment CE. Ayan. Si segment CE is also a chord kasi hindi naman siya lumagpas sa loob, nasa loob lang siya ng circle. Okay? Next, number 7, that is line CE. Kung line CE, lumagpas na siya, kasi ang symbol dito segment, at least one is line. Ibig sabihin, lumagpas na siya sa circle, pero pumasok siya sa loob. Okay, so that is secant. Ngayon, yung dumikit na linya lang, that is tangent. Okay? So, we have also interior and exterior points of a circle. So, yung nasa loob, ito bali pangalan niya, circle A. Yung point na kasama niya sa loob, that will be the interior points. Point D, point C, and point E. Si point D, kasama siya sa interior kasi hindi pa naman siya lumalabas ng circle, nasa boundary pa rin siya. So, consider as interior points. While, yan, yung point G, point F, and point H, yan po yung mga interior points na nasa labas po ng circle. Interior, then exterior sa labas. Okay, so pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon is arcs and angles. Ano nga ba ang arcs? At ano nga din ba ang angle ng isang circle? So, dito, in the given figure, the part of the circle from point A to point B, that is arc. Yung curve na yan, that is arc. Ito po yung symbol ng arc. Yan. So, that is arc. Ngayon po, yung angle na kasama po yung, yan, ito yung angle na nasa loob ni circle. So, isang kind lang po ng angle to, tinatawag na central angle kasi ang ginamit na pong vertex is yung pinaka nasa center. Kaya central angle. Ito po yung vertex niya, AOB. Angle AOB. Kapag ginamit po yung vertex niya is yung center ng circle, that will be central angle. And then, we have also minor arc. For example, this one. Arc AB. So yan, arc AB is the union ng point A at end point B. Arc AB. Yan. So, siya po yung arc na nakakonect sa angle, yung central angle natin na angle A. Major arc. Ang major arc, yung minor maliit lang. Pag major, lumagpas na sa diameter. Yung minor, hindi pa siya lumalagpas ng kalahati. Pagka lumagpas na siya ng kalahati, that is major arc na. Okay? Katulad po nito. A, C, B. Yan po yung andar niya. A, C, B. Hindi po siya B, A, C. Hindi. A, C, B. So, that will be the major arc kasi malaki yung part ng circle na nasakop niya. So, that is major arc. That will be also the exterior of the central AOB. Yung kanina na minor, that is the interior of the central angle AOB. Ito naman nasa labas siya. Nasa likod kasi siya ni AOB, so nasa labas siya. Kapag nandito sa tapat niya, sa tapat ng vertex niya, yan, sa tapat mismo ng nakabuka niya, that will be interior. Pagka nandito sa labas, sa likod niya, that is exterior. Okay? That is the major arc. Next, semicircle is the union of the endpoints of diameter. So, ito yung diameter natin. Kapag yung connection niya, nakabuo siya ng arc, at ang ginamit na endpoints niya ay yung endpoints din ng diameter, we call it semicircle. Semicircle. Kasi kung mapapansin niyo yung arc niya, bumuo siya ng kalahati ng circle. Kaya semicircle. Okay? So, pag hinati naman siya sa apat, since 360 ang buong circle, at kapag yan dinivide mo sa 4 para maging 1/4, that will be 90. Kaya tignan 90. Ang tawag po dyan, since hinati siya sa apat, ay quadrant. Quad means 4. 1/4. Quadrant. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Ayan po ang quadrant. Quad means 4. Kapag hinati sa 1/4, hinati sa apat yung ating circle, magiging 1/4 na lang siya, 360 divided by 4, that is 90. Sabihin, apat na tigna 90 degrees. At counterclockwise po yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Pag-aaralan nyo po ito sa grade 8 hanggang grade 12. Okay? Next. So, ito po yung as a review sa arcs and angles. Ito po, that will be the central angle kasi ginamit po na vertex ay yung nasa center, that is central angle. Yung nasa harapan niya, that is interior arc. So, balita, matawag po dyan ay minor kasi maliit na part lang. Kapag malaki yung part at nasa exterior, that will be the major arc. Kapag malaking part kung kinain sa circle, that is major. Pag maliit, minor. Okay? Kapag kalahati naman po, yung kinain ng arc, that will be semicircle. Ang ginamit ng endpoints ay yung endpoint din ng diameter. Next. So, we have here an example. Okay, arc AB. Ayan, si arc AB. Ang tawag sa kanya ay minor arc kasi maliit lang siya yung kanya part na ginamit. That is minor arc. And then, arc AEF. Ayan po, AEF. So, kalahati siya ng circle. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay semicircle. Next. Yan. Arc AED. AED. So, lagpas na siya sa kalahati. So, that will be major arc. Next. Yan. Arc ED. ED. That is also minor arc. Next. EDP. So, tutundan po natin yung letter niya. EDP. So, kalahati ulit siya. So, that is semicircle. Next. BD. BD. So, that is also a minor arc. Next. Degree measures of an arc of a circle. Degree measure of the minor arc is equal to the degree measure of the central angle. Meaning, equal po kung ano po yung measurement ni central angle, yun din po ang measurement ng minor arc. For example, ito po yung mga central angles, AOB. Yan, ito po yung mga central angles. Yan, si AOB, COB, and COA. Angle COA. That will be the central angle kasi ginamit po natin yung nasa center na point. Okay? So the degree measure of the major arc is equal to 360 minus the degree of related minor arc. Ibig sabihin kasi, yung buong isang circle ay 360 degrees. So, minus lang natin yung minor arc. Yun na po yung major arc. Yung degree measure ni major arc. Okay. Kapag semicircle, automatic, 360 divided by 2, that is 180 degrees. So, ang kalahati po niyan, parang protractor, 180 degrees po ang kalahati ng circle. O yung tinatawag na degree measure of a semicircle is 180 degrees. Okay, an angle intersect an arc if and only if the endpoints, ito po yung mga endpoints, yan po yung mga endpoints. The endpoints of the arc lie on the angle that is intersect. Kapag ginamit niya yung dalawang endpoint, ito, this is also intersect. Pag ito ginamit, intersect. Ito ginamit, C hanggang B, intersected. So yung interior na arc, that is also the interior na intersect. Okay. Yung sides naman, each side na galing dun sa endpoint. Ito yung endpoint. Yan. Yun yung mga line. Yan. That is also intersect. Yan po yung intersect. Tapos, yung intersect, if and only yun. If in the figure, yung arc AB is intercepted by angle AOB. Okay. Naka-intercept si arc AB. Kasi ito yung central angle natin. So, intercept ngayon si AB. Yan. Kasi nasa harapan lang niya. Ito yung nasa likod. Ito yung sa harap. That is intercept. Okay, next. Si CB naman. Yan, si CB. Yan, arc CB is intercepted by angle COB. Sa COB naman siya. Kapag COA naman, angle COA, ito naman, si arc CB. Okay, ito yan. So, that is intercept. Example, we have here. Tandaan nyo si minor ay equal kay central angle. Tapos si major, i-minus mo lang yung minor sa 360, that is the major. Okay? So, for example, we have here angle POD. 30 degrees. So, ngayon, ang measurement ng minor arc niya o intercept is equal to the measure of angle BOD. Kung 30 degrees to, ano ngayon ang measurement? The arc D. So, that is also 30 degrees. Equal nga po sila. Equal yung angle sa minor arc. Next. Measurement of angle AOC, 20 degrees is equal to 20 degrees. What will be the measurement of CFA? Tingnan nyo yung under niya. CFA. So, that is the major. So, kung equal si angle AOC sa arc AC, so that is also 20 degrees. Ilan ngayon ang degree measure ni arc CFA? So, ang gagawin nyo dyan, 360 minus 20, that is 340 degrees. Okay, number 3. Si arc AD, 160 degrees. So, ano ngayon ang measurement ni angle AOB? Kung 160 to, equal ito ng angle. So, that is also 160 degrees. Next, number 4. Arc DF, 40 degrees. How about arc DCF? Tingnan niyo yung other, DCF. So, 360 minus 40, kasi ang buong circle ay 360 minus 40. So, ma-minus natin para malaman natin yung measurement ni major arc. So, that will be 320 degrees. Next, number 5. Measurement of arc DEF. DEF. So, major siya, 260 degrees. So, what will be the measurement of arc DF? Degree measure of arc DF. So, 360 minus 260, that is 100 degrees. Number 6. Number 6 is the measure of arc AC. Yan. 20 degrees po yan. How about the measure of ABD? Kung mapapansin ninyo, as you notice, kalahati lang po ng circle yung nagamit. So, meaning that is not 360 degrees. Yan po ay 180 degrees. Kung itong AC na ito, arc AC na ito, ay 20 degrees, ilan po ito? So, 180 minus 20, that is 160 degrees. Yan po yung angles and arcs ng isang circle. At paano siya mini-measure? Tandaan nyo po, ang buong isang circle ay 360 degrees. Ang minor ay equal sa angle niya. Kung yung measurement angle, yun po yung measurement ni minor arc. And then, yung measurement naman ni major arc, 360 minus the minor arc or minus the degree measure of an angle. Okay? So, now, we will discuss about inscribed angles. Kanina intercept. Ngayon naman ay inscribed angles pa circle. So, inscribed angle. An angle is inscribed in the arc of its vertexes on the arc and its side are chords joining the vertex to the endpoint of the arc. Okay, for example, the figure, angle BAC. Yan, angle BAC. Pag sinabing inscribed, siya po yung nasa outer o yung nasa exterior arc. Yan. So, BAC. Siya po yung inscribed. Pag nasa harap, yung katulad po ng distance ko kanina, that is intercept. Pag nasa likod, that is inscribed. Note that angle BQC. Yan, central angle po yan. Ginamit po yung center as vertex. So, si angle BQC, ang kanyang intercept. Pag sinabing intercept, yung nasa harapan niya o yung interior arc niya, that is arc BC. Parehas din po yan na yan po yan arc or intercept para sa harapan. Ngayon, but the inscribed angle, kasi di ba kanina yung ating yung BAC, ganon din, yung angle BAC, ang intercept niya ay C. Yan. At yung inscribed niya, BC din ang pangalan niya. BAC or arc BC. Parehas yan ng intercept niya. Parehas lang ng pangalan, arc BC. Inscribed na arc BC. Pwede rin namang arc BAC or CA. Okay, so, yung nasa likod, that is inscribed. And then yung intercept, yung nasa harap. Okay? So, tandaan nyo, this is the angle, and this is intercept, yung nasa harapan, nasa loob ng isang angle. At yung nasa labas ng angle, that is inscribed. So, example, the arc in which angle Z is inscribed. So, ano yung arc na naka-inscribe angle Z? Angle CBD. Pwede siyang CAD, pwedeng CBD, At pwede rin, CAB or CBD. Parehas lang po yan ang unahan. So that will be the inscribed arc of angle. Next, number 2, angle X. Yung pag isang letter lang po yan, ang ginagamit po as name. Yan po yung vertex nito. So ito yung X. Ito po yung angle. Angle A, X, B. So, ang kanyang arc na intercept is AB. Arc AB. Next po, number 3. Angle, the arc in which angle AB intercept. Ibig sabihin, intercept na nasa harapan po niya. So, that will be arc ACB. Yan ang kaharap niya. Okay. Next po, number 4. Angle inscribed. Angle po yung nahanap po dyan. Ito po yung inscribed arc po natin. ABD. Yan. Ano po yung angle na naka-cover dyan? Ito po yung angle ABD. Ito po yung angle inscribed. Ito yung inscribed arc. Next. Angle intercepted in AC. So, ito po yung AC. Ano yung angle intercepted niya? So, that is angle A. Intercept, harap, inscribe, sarili. So, circle vocabulary. The point in, number 1, the point in the middle is the center. Number 2, a line segment from any point, po yun, on the circle to its center, that is radius. Number 3, a line segment that goes through the center of the circle. Ito po yung line na ito. Ang tawag po dyan ay diameter. Number 4, a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. Ayan po kan saan po yan. Basta nasa loob po siya ng circle at hindi tumaan. Pag tumaan po, chord din siya and the same time diameter. And this is also chord. Next, number 5. A line that intersects the circle at exactly 1 point. Po yung line na ito. Tawag po dyan ay tangent. And then, a line intersects circle at 2 different points. Yan. That is. Okay. So, that's all. Thank you. God bless and stay safe. Till my next video. I hope na may natutunan kayo. Pwede po kayo mag-comment, mag-subscribe at mag-like. Until next video, bye-bye! Ingat po kayo!